Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Bull. Today we are going to talk about another project which to my opinion is still a hidden gem and still could make a lots of flixies guys. And in this video we are going to talk about Cirus Foundation. What Cirus Foundation is and how you can make money by using Cirus Foundation just by browsing the web. If you think about Brave browsers, and by Brave browser only by using Brave browser you could make profits, but by Cirus application you can make profits by using any browser which is out there. And today I will be also doing kind of tutorial. We will talk about tokenomics and I will give you also a rumor about Cirus Foundation, about the partnership which they have made guys, and this also is going to be a deflationary cryptocurrency and much more we will discuss in this video guys. However, as always, remember that my videos are not a financial advice, but recently a lot of people contacted me, were thanking me about many cryptocurrencies which I have been reviewing, like for example PNG made 6x just in 3 days, and many other cryptocurrencies also started exploding. But as always guys, remember that these are good times when prices are exploding to take some profits off the table. So no further ado, let's get into it and let's talk about what is Cirus Foundation and let's give this project a deeper look. This is Cirus, they have their own token and this token soon will be deflationary, which I will also talk about. And by the way guys, they are also going to burn 10% of maximum supply of this cryptocurrency, so this cryptocurrency could also absolutely explode in price. As you can see, Cirus Foundation meets Cirus. Come in and check this out for yourself, but we will talk about main features like, as you see, get paid for your data. First thing is that they have application which we will also install in a second. You can simply browse web or internet and you can make profits by just using this application. Another thing is guys that you can also stake this cryptocurrency and you can stake it for a rather huge interest. If we go here on Cirus Foundation, the link is tokenhub.cirusfoundation.com, then you can see that there is also a stake where you can stake and you can earn also just by staking these Cirus tokens. You can also make huge API per year. If we click into it, the API currently is 27.92%, which is rather big. You can earn almost 28% just by holding this cryptocurrency on your wallet, and you can earn more just by holding these tokens on your wallet, as you see. And you can convert tokens, and by the way guys, with the Cirus Foundation wallet you can interact within the exchange where you can exchange cryptocurrencies instantaneously. And this is not a promise because this project already was started a couple of years ago and they created this project to give back power to the people, but we will get into this also in a second. As you see, manage your assets, you can manage your crypto assets, you can exchange one crypto to another crypto, and then there is also increase your Cirus score, where people who have installed or added this application, they can also increase their score. This is your reputation on internet. If you have the higher reputation, you will be able to access more different applications which are on Web3. As you see, web powered app store, where also on Web3 app store you can also spend your cryptocurrencies by using Cirus application. And by the way guys, also team for the Cirus is very transparent. You can talk and interact with pretty much all members and they are all out there guys. They have also their YouTube channel, you can go and check them out. They are doing AMAs, they are doing different explanations, as you can see, different explanations on different features, what they are building, what they are integrating. So the team is very transparent. And if you go into the Twitter, you can see that Web3 North, Julia Guz, this is the head of operations of Cirus Foundation, bridging web past to web future, Canada's Web3 revolution, and so on and so forth. And you can find there also news and everything about Cirus on their social media, where they are also being very active. So as you see, the project is transparent. Cirus and Cirus application and its blockchain activity has been also audited by Hacken, so the code works also very great guys. The code is audited and there is no internal like scams or hacks which could be integrated within the code of this application. So yes guys, as you see, the project is really great. And there is also something which you should know about tokenomics. We will talk about it in a second, but now let's talk about the application itself and let's set it up on our browser, and I will show you how you can do it. As you can see here, if you go to cirusfoundation.com website, you can click simply on download Cirus application. This will be, like I mentioned, also like a tutorial, and here you add to Chrome and you say add extension, and this extension will automatically be added into your Chrome browser. As you can see, it didn't appear here on the top of my browser, but I will make it visible as my other applications, which you can see there, guys. I click on this icon and here I see Cirus crypto wallet, and here I will need to activate this pin, which has to be active, which has to be blue, and then this application will be visible on my browser. This is just information for those who didn't know how to do this. And now we can create application, we can create account. I will close this one. Let's go back to their website, and now I will need to click on this, as you can see, Cirus logo, which is kind of pinkish, and then I will need to create account. As you see, welcome to Cirus, surf the web, earn crypto, simple as that, and this is their crypto wallet. See, very similar to MetaMask. If you are using MetaMask, it will be pretty much the same. And here I can log in, but I have no account, so I will need to first create account. Click create account, guys, and creation of your account is also very simple, just first name and last name. And what's your email address? Here you provide your email, and then click continue, and here give some password for this account and click continue. Do you agree with privacy and terms of service? You check, as many people obviously don't read it, and say yes I do, because otherwise you will not be able to use this application anyway, guys. Then you agree, and then you see we have sent a code to your email. Then you go into your email and you get this code and enter this code here, as this will be only one-time verification code, and then you can see success. You will be redirected to your account soon. And once you are in your account, as you can see, this application looks very good. This is your Cirus score. We talked about Cirus score at the very start, guys, that you are, or everyone who is browsing, they are able to create their Cirus score, and by browsing the web you can now start earning cryptocurrency or Cirus tokens. As you see, cool. And there is the orb, just like your Cirus store. Your Cirus orb evolves as you level up, as your Cirus is growing. And as you can see, cool. There we say cool. Data earnings cards. This is where the magic happens. Welcome to the Cirus Earn. You'll find your data earning here. And here you say also cool. In the right top corner you can see this icon. You just click on it and you can access much more management and features of this application. As you can see your transaction history, like what transactions you have been doing, data vault, where you can see data, and reset password, lock extension. Here is about, and there is a support, and many other different features like with other professional wallets. And as you can see, guys, like I mentioned, this looks professional. So if you are interested, go and check this out. As always, guys, all links will be in description if you are interested of using this application. But like I said, guys, now we will look at this application like from the perspective of investor, because we are interested of investing in cryptocurrency, because some factors like huge supply, for example, it could take us off from this application. Currently, the circulating supply of this token is only 62 million, and maximum supply is 250 million. And by secret, guys, what I have found also about this project is, guys, that they are going to release very soon version 2 of this cryptocurrency, and there will be only circulating supply 225 million coins, not anymore 250, because they are going to burn 10% of maximum supply. And that's still not it, because they are also going to create this cryptocurrency deflationary, which means that on each transaction which will be happening with Cirus tokens, there will be also burn involved, and this cryptocurrency will be burning itself and burning those 225 million which will be left after version 2 tokenomics. That is another huge factor which you should know about this cryptocurrency. And there is also a rumor that Cirus, they have created a huge partnership, and most likely, as rumors say, guys, on different social media I found also information that they have created this partnership with Shift Markets. They still haven't announced this partnership, and Shift Markets, for those who doesn't know, guys, this is the project which is managing and working with 49 or 59 exchanges and which has user base of 40 million, which is also very huge and which could also explode this Sirus price absolutely in the nearest future. However guys, like I mentioned, my video is not a financial advice. This is just for educational purposes. I'm recording and giving you more information about all these projects which I'm reviewing here on my channel, and I'm giving you just my opinion why I think that this or that project could absolutely explode in future in next bull market. And even with those cryptocurrencies which I have reviewed guys, I'm not taking profits with any of them because I'm waiting for next bull market, because the biggest amounts of money will be made in bull market. I'm just telling you how I'm thinking about these low cap cryptos, and that's why I'm exactly investing in low cap crypto. And Cirus Foundation, Cirus Crypto is also one of those which I think that is a hidden gem. Another thing is guys that even KuCoin have invested in this cryptocurrency in Cirus project, and by the way you can also buy it on one of top exchanges like KuCoin. As you can see, there is KuCoin USDT pair on KuCoin, and KuCoin, like I mentioned, it is also investor in Cirus Foundation. You can get it also on Gate.io. I am also using Gate.io, MaxC guys, and other different cryptocurrency exchanges and dexes which are out there, which is also very huge guys. So this is just my opinion. This was my quick review on Cirus project guys. If you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.